In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Marvel Rivals on any PC. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. And what we need to do is we need to download an application called Steam. So all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then just look up Steam download just like so. Then go ahead and press on the first link that appears right over here. And then all you want to do is go ahead and press on install Steam. Now, I already have Steam installed, so I am good to go. However, Steam is completely free and is a platform you can go ahead and purchase games, and there's tons of paid games and there's also free games, and thankfully Marvel Rivals is actually a free game. So let's actually go ahead and open up Steam really quickly. Okay, so I do have my Steam application right over here, and if it's your first time ever using Steam, then you will need to create a Steam account, which you can do for absolutely free. But anyways, guys, in order to actually play Marvel Rivals, all you want to do is you want to go over here to where it says store, then go to the search bar and then look up Marvel like so, and then it should automatically appear over here. And the beauty of this game is that it is actually free, so I'm honestly really excited about that, guys. So let's go ahead and press on this button that says play a game like so. So then it's going to give you information about the game. Now keep in mind, it does take around 55 gigabytes worth of storage, and then go ahead and press on install like so. And then you will need to accept some agreements like so. So go ahead and just press on next. And now it will begin downloading Marvel Rivals. Okay, so Marvel Rivals was eventually able to download on our PC, and now all we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on this button that says play now, because now it should be in our library. And then it is going to ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So go ahead and just press on yes. Unfortunately, you weren't able to see my screen, but it is basically just going to ask you that question. All right, guys, and then here we are, and all we need to do is go ahead and press on launch. All right, guys, and here we are. We are now able to play Marvel Rivals, and I'm honestly really excited because I heard a lot of great things about this game. But yeah, guys, that is basically how you download Marvel Rivals completely for free. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.